If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you to this new lecture of this basic level. Here we are solving Tripura University questions. So today I will be solving from question number 6, 7, 8 and 9, 10. Okay, then let's try to solve these questions. In 6 what they have asked, find the coefficient of 1 by x square, that is x to the power minus 2 in the expansion of this. Again same, we will consider it tr plus 1. Again minus 1 is there, so minus 1 to the power r and 6 cr, and it is 2x cubed to the power 6 minus r, and then it is minus 1 by x square, minus we have already considered, and this is r. So you need to find the coefficient of x to the power minus 2. So it will be minus 1 to the power r, 6 cr, 2 to the power 6 minus r. You look around x will be 3 6 are 18 minus 3r, and from here 1 minus 2r is 1. So we need this one should be equal to minus 2. Therefore 18 minus 5r, that should be equal to minus 2. So 5r should be equal to 20 or r should be equal to 4. Now once you know r, then it becomes easy. Which term will contain x to the power minus 2? Fifth term will contain x to the power minus 2, but they are asking coefficient. So there is a difference. In question they may also ask which term will contain x to the power minus 2. Then your answer will be fifth term, because r plus 1th term. So T5 will contain this one, will have this one in it, but you need to find the coefficient. So the coefficient will be, so the coefficient of this will contain, but the coefficient of this one will be, what is the coefficient? You remove x, what is there, that is your coefficient, which is equal to minus 1 to the power 4, 64, and then 2 to the power 6 minus 4. So it is 64 is nothing but 62. 62 will be 6 into 5 by 2, and then it is 4. So it will be 5 2s are 10, then 60. So this is your answer. You can write it, let the term is tr plus 1. You can write if you want to write it in language format. Writing you can easily do it. Then question number 7, find the fourth term in the expansion. So easy. So you need to find only T4. Directly they have given, you need to find T4. So it will be 5c3, 1 less than this. No minus is there. Then it is first term x to the power 5 minus 3, 2. And then second term is direct 3. So if you do it, 5c3 is nothing but 5c2. 5c2 is 5 into 4 by 2. This is x square. This is 8 by x cube. So you will get ultimately 80 by x. So this is your answer. Now again find the coefficient of alpha to the power 15 in the expansion of this. Say same type of question again. So we are doing lots of questions of this format. So you can take care of this one. Alpha cube to the power 10 minus r. And next one is 2 by alpha square to the power r. So 10cr, it is alpha to the power 30 minus 3r, and from here again 2r will come, so I am directly writing and 2 to the power r. So what they need this one should be equal to x to the power 15. The power of alpha should be equal to x to the power 15. So this power 30 minus 5r, that should be equal to 15. So 5r equal to 15, which means r is equal to 3. Then which term contain x to the power 15 in this expansion? Fourth term will contain x to the power in this expansion, but they are not asked you which term, they have asked you the coefficient. So what will be the coefficient? These are the coefficients. So the coefficients of excluding x to the power 15, alpha to the power 15. Don't forget this one. This is also a coefficient. This is also a part. Excluding alpha, everything that is multiplied with is your coefficient. So 10c3 into 2 to the power 3. So 10c3 is 10 into 9 into 8. Divided by 3 factorial, 3 into 2 into 1, this is 8. So you can do it, it will be 3, then 4, 12, 96, 960 is the answer. Question number 9, they have write down only the expansion, write down the binomial expansion of this one. So this should be your first question in normal sequence, because first we start writing binomial expansion. So it is, you can write it easily, 6c0, x to the power 6, then 2y to the, I am writing it in detail, 6c1, x to the power 5, 2y, 6c2, then x to the power 4, then 2y whole square, then 6c3, a little lengthy it will be, more the power more lengthy it will be, 3, 2y cube, 6c2, x4, 2y 2, 6c1, x5, 2y, this is x square, this is 4, it should be reduced, this is x, and then this is 5, and then last one will be 62, 63, this is 64, 65, 66. This is x to the power 0 and last one to the power 6. So ultimately if you simplify, it will be x to the power 6 because these are 1. 61 is 6, x5, then 2y. 62 you can calculate here, or you can calculate somewhere and then put, or you can calculate in calculator also. 6 into 5 by 2, it is 15, 2, so it will be 15 x to the power 4 y square plus 63 is 6 into 5 into 4 divided by 3 into 2, again 20, so 20 x cube 8 y cube. 64 is nothing but 62, that is 15. You know it also repeats because the first and last is same. These and this coefficient will same, these and these will same, these and these will same, because this is the property of binomial coefficient you have seen already. So this will be x square 2 to the power 4 will be 16y4. Then next one will be 6. Obviously 65 is 6 because it will be repeating the coefficient. X and 2 to the power 5 is 32, y to the power 5, and it is 64y6. So ultimately if you write, it will be x6 12 x5y, then 60 x4y square, then 160 x cube y cube, then 15 into 60 is 240 x square y4, then 192 x y5, then 64 y6. So this is your expansion. You check all these calculations whether it is correct or not. I think it should be correct. If there is any modification needed, you can do it because it is a long calculation. So it is 10. To find the coefficient of this x to the power 6. Again same type of question, again I am repeating. So 13 CR, so because there is no minus, so no need to write minus, and then it is 1 by x square to the power r. So if you look around, what is the coefficient of x? This is 13 minus r, then 1 minus 2r will also come, this 2r. So this should be equal to your, what is there? What is asked here? X to the power 6. So r or 3r, 2r minus r is 13 minus 3r, that should be equal to 6, or 3r should be equal to, you corrected, this should be x to the power 4. So this is 4, so it will be 3r minus 4, that is 9. So once you know r, then you can easily find the coefficient. Therefore coefficient of, so the fourth term will contain x to the power 4. So what will the answer, which term contain x to the power 4? Fourth term contain x to the power 4, but the coefficient of x to the power 4 will be, they are not asking which term, so this one will be the coefficient, 13c4, sorry 13c3, r is equal to 3. So 13 into 12 into 11 divided by 3 into 2 into 1, C6, that is 2, 13 into 22, 26, then 28. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.